Welcome back. The theme for 2026 is called, will be named consistency. This is 3 weeks in a row. It is January 25th, 2026, and I'm here to provide a weekly watch list for the week of this week, essentially. But before we do that, let's go over some of the winners we had from the watch list from last week. First up, we have RCEL. Give us a nice 14% return. Once again, each bar represents a weekly candle. Each candle represents 5 days. So let me go to the daily chart. So one, two, three, four. And since Monday was a holiday, MLK Jr. birthday holiday, there's only 4 trading days this past week. So one, two, three, four. Those are the 4 days we had. That's the daily. Let's look at the weekly again. Nice move. Why do we like this one? It closed above the 8 EMA, a strong close, broke over these highs. We're looking for more continuation. This actually go on a watch list for the coming week as well. RCL. We also had KWM. KWN. Beautiful setup here. Doji. Strong candle. We like the continuation. MSGY. This is one of the nicer ones as well. We had a hammer that closed above the 8 EMA and more continuation upside. This was one of our best going long trades for the week. Let's get the daily chart. See how they broke out. Look how many days it was in a base. This is what? I'll say a month and a half. Look how long it's been consolidated. And once it breaks out that consolidation, it's home free home. So let's once again 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Because once again, it was only 4 trading days because Monday was a holiday. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as soon as the market opened on Tuesday, very strong candle. This is your sign to get in. You can get in around here, but this was the strongest signal, strongest sign right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got out around here, 5 around here. It was pretty strong. I didn't want to hold it anymore, and I was satisfied. And for the short side, we had NBY. This is a daily, but look at this is what we saw on the weekly chart. This is what we saw. Very strong up candle, then it gave a nice reversal candle, gap down the next day, and it was all she wrote. Almost 70% down, $10 down off a $20 stack. Let's go to the daily. So once again, Monday holiday. So this is Tuesday. Look at that long red candle. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Beautiful. One of the most beautiful shorts we've seen in a while. With that said, let's get started with this week's watch list. We're going to start with the longs. Once again, KWM. Close above the 80 EMA. Look for a strong continuation more to upside. HE. This is Basin. I like it above 15. ADTX. ADTX. Once again, look at that. Basin for how, look at it go to the daily chart. Look how long it's been basing or consolidating. Just trickling down. Try to pop his head up. Pull back. I like it above 120. ADTX. AQST. Reversal. I like it above 330. AROC. Once again, consolidated, broke its head above. It broke its head above on January 12th, January 5th. Let's go to the daily. But look how it broke its head and it gapped up, then came right back down. It wasn't ready yet. But this time it came up through the upper Bollinger Band and it stayed there. A lot of positive reinforcement. Look at the daily chart. Look at that. This is a nice entry right here above 27. AROC. Look for more continuation. BAK. Beautiful. Broke out the wedge. Like it above 370. Billy. Similar situation. I like it over 34. Boyle. What a wise man once said what? A wise man once said that a doji plus a gap up is your best friend. Look at the daily. A doji plus a gap up is your best friend. This is full of gap ups. This probably trades overnight. Yeah, this is a natural gas, so it's a commodity, so it trades practically 24/7 or 23 hours in 5 days, 6 days. So yeah, but I like it above $30. Boil, BOIL, BRBR. We have a long list. So if you guys don't get any winners off of this, I don't know what to tell you, because I put in the work. Very long list. You should be able to find some winners off of this. I like it above 28. Hammer, gap up, green. This is a nice scan, nice chart. CEN. Scoop pattern, I like it above 19. Court, above 44. COTY. Let's go back. COTY. Above 340. Flojo, FLO, above 1130. GWRE. This is one of my favorite setups. Long downtrend. A little exhaustion candle right here. This is say, hey, buyers want to step in just for a little bit, get a nice little bounce. Let's go to the daily. What are they doing at daily? Yeah, bounce, consolidation. You can watch this for a short as well below 157 or above 162 for a long. GWRE. GEM, JEM. Let's go to the weekly because the daily's looking crazy. Yeah, like this. Ran up above 30 cents. For those who like those lower price stocks, JEM, KUST, above $3, KGS, I love this, above 41, LODE, above 450, LRN, above 74, NEE, above 85, NOW, above 134, OCG, above 250. Look how beautiful that is. This type of setup will give you a major bounce, this probably can make your week if you time it right and if the stock acts right. Look how it's starting to scoop above 210, OCG. Plug. This used to be a running back in the days. Nice swoop J hook pattern above 270. Rare. Above 2450 SNY. Above 48 SSRM. I like this. You have a J hook plus a close above the Bollinger Band, and it's below the 70 RSI. This is one of the most perfect setups that I've seen this week. This should be a runner above 2650 SSRM. UNG. This is a flutter kicker signal. We have a red close. The next candle is a green or white candle, and there's a gap between the two. This is one of the strongest signals when it comes to candlesticks. This is natural gas, so if you go to the daily, it'll probably be just as gappy as Boyle is, BOIL. Yep, similar. Not surprising. I like it about 1450. Let's go back to the weekly. WDAY. Another exhaustion, little bounce, like it above 190. XTIA. Nice consolidation. Started get his head up. I like it above 190. And finally for the longs, PM. I like it above 174. Now let's go to our shorts for the week. We don't have as many as the longs, but there's some we should look at. ALMS. Run up. So you got to reverse sometimes. Look at the RSI. 86. Come on. Nice reverse. Okay, let's look at the daily. A little rollover action. Like it below 2450 ohms. BRK, Berkshire Hathaway. Gap down, a little continuation, like it below 478. CRDO. Rollover action, like it below 133. ENTG. Below 114. FHN. Below 2350. Form. Below 73. INDA. I never heard of this ETF. Is this a new one? I never heard it. India iShares. Interesting. Below 51. I like it as a short. These are all shorts that we're looking at from ALMS. These are shorts. KTOS. Almost that's a dark cloud engulfing. I like it below 110. LRCX below 21750. LUV Love below 4150. Real below 15. STTK below 4. TJ Maxx below 153. And finally VISN below 1750. And that concludes this week's watch list. Trade well. See you guys next week.